and call him, Ralston man, Demongo half hour.
Mm-hmm.
And him is the one that is there to take on the government.
Uh-huh.
He should have get more time.
Uh-huh.
So I've been saying to myself, so that's what him doing that program to do, just take on the government.
I don't know. But Cleveland, you notice our policy? We don't talk about them, you know. They make them talk
yes,
about
I noticed
us.
that. I noticed.
We
I was
focus.
listening out this morning, but I'm sure
No.
Troublemaker George would have to say something.
We have to focus on what we have to do.
Yes.
Yes?
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyway, let me say happy birthday to Jermaine before me forget.
Yes.
And in a big man number now, I climb up.
Mm-hmm. Big man, old man now, 50.
Yes, sir. I tell you something about the PNP in the house. I watch them in the house, you know.
Yes.
They have no manners, especially for the speaker.
Mm-hmm.
No manners at all.
Yes.
You see?
Uh-huh.
And I'm happy that, I wouldn't say I'm happy, but a good sense prevailed that Mr. Dawes realized that he was wrong to be getting at Mr. Mackenzie age.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, in the same age bracket too.
Oh, yes. Yes, Dr. Winston Dawes.
You see?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to tell him that. But I noticed them in the house. They don't have no respect. They don't want to listen to the speaker. Mustn't say nothing to them.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
They feel they have strength in numbers now, you know.
Yes, but that not said enough have respect.
No, it doesn't.
That not said enough mustn't have respect.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And need to have respect for each other in that place.
Right.
Right? Because it's setting an example.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And they don't need to carry on. So.
Yeah.
But they're still not the government. No care and try.
Mm-hmm.
They're still not the government.
Right.
And all them putting forward now for the budget debate,
mm-hmm.
I don't see no reason them to kill up themselves because 5 years them have to wait before election. So by the time next year come, people forget what they say.
Mm-hmm.
And then going to form another new thing when next year budget peak time come around again. So I'd advise them just take it easy. They have a lot of time to go.
They have a lot of time to go, but they also have a lot of work to do.
And that's too. That work to do.
They should really be using the time now.
Yes. Don't just try to find something to pick on.
Mm-hmm.
To talk about. Because people don't really listen them much about these things, you know.
Yes.
They want to see the country move on.
Yeah.
And I care what them want to say.
Cleveland,
the government
I have to ask you a question.
Congratulated.
I have to ask you this, you know, because you have been around longer than I have been.
Yes.
Right? And I know you were always a public-spirited person. But when I hear this debate now about NIR,
yeah.
I just say, what me live to see I hear.
Hey, Cliff, it make me talking to myself, you know.
Yes.
I said them for use of the NIR money. This is what happened to that now good thing with saving money when they're telling us that we for use of some of the money for do this and do that.
Yes. But you know what struck me when I heard there was a time when it was a minus, meaning not ever did it.
Not that thing.
Not
that thing, Cliff.
Yes.
And we got through that, you know. We got through that.
And we struggled. We were embarrassed. Yeah? I hear the stories when the ship come out in the harbor for bring them in the aisle. And everybody around. You see who can lend them some money.
Hello, Cliff.
To make the payment.
Even to pay government workers. Many Friday we have to wait till them money come from certain people.
Yes.
Remember the red stripe for them?
Yes.
We have to look for money from them to pay with.
Yes.
We have to wait. We get paid 10 o'clock in the morning time, we get it way up in the evening. Because they just never have the money.
It. Yeah.
You see? But some of these young people don't understand these things.
They don't know.
Us, you know.
They don't know, you know, Cleveland. It's not that they don't understand it. They just don't know. If you were born after 1990, Yeah, that makes you what, 35, 36 now.
Yes.
You wouldn't know.
Yes.
They just wouldn't know.
I tell you, Mr. Hughes, we go through some rough time.
Yeah.
And them days, them. When I hear them about it, them want how much percentage to wait. We did a Fiscal down, we get a bunk, I wouldn't say we get a bunk, but we get something Fiscal down, keep it for 5 years.
Yes, wage freeze.
Wage freeze.
Yes.
Wage freeze for a long while.
Yes. I remember they used to boast about having a wage freeze.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, but it wasn't good, Mr. Hughes.
No.
And now as we retire, now we realize that it really never
Exactly.
good at all.
Yes.
Like chatting up with pension money.
I was talking this morning. I remember when Michael Manley, in particular, used to go overseas and come back and say he got a $30 million borrow.
Drop in the bucket.
Yeah, and it was a big achievement.
Yeah.
It was a big achievement, and poor we never know. Say that is not something you
laugh about.
Exactly.
It wasn't at all, Mr. Hughes. We got through some time here in this country because of the street talk.
Yep.
And no proper management of our economy. Come on. We can't get back to those days again.
Never.
Come up with something else and just encourage them free to tell the government, yes, do the right thing.
Exactly.
You will get more votes.
Yeah. I heard a comment the other day. It was the same Damien King. Before the budget, he was speaking with the Nationwide this morning.
Yeah.
And he said something that really resonated with me. He said he would be very worried if the finance minister did not come with a tax package this year.
Yes, that is necessary.
Because it is necessary.
Yeah.
And if you don't come with it, it means that they're going to be irresponsible.
Yes.
Irresponsible.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyhow, let me hear look, my friend Ricardo Brooks. Hope you're all right, Ricardo. Me still wait for you where you're there, you know.
Make him tell you.
All right, please. Take it
All right. Take care, Cleveland. Good. Time for the break.
Pretty close.
What you waiting on?
Me just spelling, we never get on with that. We also, Mr. Hughes. So
you're quickie. You're quickie.
You're a politician, no, Mr. Hughes.
Cut.
Anyhow, Mr. Hughes. I don't know if you did hear an interview with George Davis and Tana Friday morning with a gentleman from the Bank of Jamaica.
Mr. The senior deputy governor of the Bank of Jamaica.
Right.
Yes, I thought it was a very informative interview.
Mr. Hughes, him rubbish the private sector gentleman and him fling out gold in where did that talk about you can just step in at the NIR and take out 40 billion and just spend it. The man said, no go say, cannot. And when I listen to him, I wonder why 4% make people all cut all program all yesterday. One more program gone yesterday.
Oh dear.
4%. I'm very happy I am a part of the 4%.
It's not good when you see members of your industry having to close down. That's not good. That's not something to,
I agree with
to shout out about at all.
It's not Joe that, Mr. Hughes. If you continue to mislead people and carry the right and proper story, then people will turn away from you. And if you even do something that is wrong and you don't come and apologize about it, then people will turn away from you.
Yes.
And that is what is happening there.
Oh dear.
Anyhow, I have a problem with the two sentences in the 2 Friday past straight.
Yes.
Sylvia's wife was found that she could have been buried. The policeman's girlfriend have not found not even the carcass to bury all now. But him get life and Sylvia get 20. I have a problem there.
I have a serious problem there.
Yes.
Because if you look at it, Mr. Hughes, it's the same thing did happen. That's why you hear the policeman, lawyer, saying, I'm going to appeal the case. Right away. He's
Yes.
going to appeal the case.
That's Maitland's lawyer.
Lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
Because him himself know for him loophole where him can get you. Because suppose one day that lady should have turned up like the 2 men where they put up in a Cuba and went tell PNP win but then couldn't return.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah.
And that is the problem we have with it.
Yeah.
Any last one now, because I don't know how nobody else wants to call.
Yeah, it's time for the news as well.
Yeah, one time when I discuss anything with a PMP, the first thing he used to tell you, say, we don't have nobody who go to prison. We don't have Jackson who go to prison if he interfere with farmer money. Can't tell me so again. Can't tell me so again.
True. I remember that call. I remember that. They used to throw it. They used to throw it at labor rights and
Yes,
taunt to do with it.
Yes, man. People got to prison for murder their wife.
Carl, easy. So they can't taunt to do with that again, Carl.
He can't want me to move. Up to yesterday, I tried to draw one in an argument, man. And he said, boy, I mean, I have no time for you now. I said, okay, you're not going to have no time for me. You're not going to have no time for me, now, man.
Oh, Lord.
No. They think them bad. We are taking everything for them. They say we couldn't win third term, we win third term. And a politician see them gone to prison. No. So everything will fall apart.
Okay.
And if Dr. Dawes ever put up in big finger and look for, and you put up a big finger, Dr. Dawes, and look for what you have said to Desmond Mackenzie and look for what is in you know.
I have to run, Carl.
Dr. Dawes.
I have to run, Carl. You made me laugh this morning. All right. We're going to make way now for